Welcome back to Kodemine. So today we will discuss the next topic is how to insert a link in our Google Sheet. So link means we need to click a link in the Google Sheet and it will take a control to that particular URL. For example, if I click on www.google.com into my Excel sheet, it will goes to the google.com into the next step. So how can we do that? We will see here. Just go into insert and click on the insert link option. Here we have two options. One is your text and next is your link, right? So this one is the text where it will appear into your Google Sheets cell like a clickable link, and the link is a part where you will put the URL where the control will go. We see an example. For example, go to Kodemine website, right? What is this URL? HTTPS then .com. So I have applied. So you guys can see here now we are getting a link here, right? We are not getting here HTTPS and all. We are just getting a hyperlink here. We just need to hover on it, and here I am getting the reference of that URL. I just need to click on that. It will take me to that website, right? So we can see here how easy to link a URL with the text in the Google Sheet. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any query, question, comment into the comment box. Please like, share, comment and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.